Aslima and welcome to Sehla Mehla. Today we'll be making together the Tunisian salad, the most famous one. It's also called green salad. To make my salad, I'm gonna need some vegetables, cucumbers, peppers, fresh tomatoes, and the rest of the ingredients. You'll find them in the description box below. I'm starting by making my vinaigrette before moving into cutting my vegetables. To make my vinaigrette, I will need olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Afterwards, I'll add salt, pepper, and dried mint. I will mix all the ingredients together and set it aside. I start by cutting up my green apple. Now it's time to cut my fresh tomatoes, but make sure you get rid of all the seeds inside as they will make your salad very watery. I'll put the tomatoes on my plate and then cut the rest of the vegetables, onions, cucumbers, of which I'm taking off all the seeds as well. And finally, I'm cutting my peppers. Please make sure to cut your vegetables very finely. Finely chopped, I'm gonna add my vinaigrette and start decorate my salad with boiled eggs, tuna, olives, and anything that you would like. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Sehla Mehla.